Fear grips Tinubu, Speaker, House of Representatives and others as they withdraw bills. Watch how Nigerians threaten them that made them to withdraw these bills. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Depending on wherever you're watching us from, you're welcome to BMS channel. Whoever said that the people doesn't have power is just playing. Yes, people will say sometimes we just talk on social media without any action. But I will tell you this for free, that these men are seeing what is happening in social media and they are afraid of it. That is just the truth of the matter. The talk we are doing on the social media, these guys are seeing it and understanding how Nigerians are reacting. This morning I dropped a video where I was saying how the Speaker House of Representatives led by Abbas and Tinubu are trying to shut the mouth of Nigerians. They are trying to cage the mouth of Nigerians and to strip them of their rights. But trust Nigerians now. The End Bad Governance protest was a sign, a signal to these people what would have happened if they went ahead to continue with that bill. Protest is the only thing these politicians understand. In that bill, they were warning Nigerians that if you protest, you will be jailed. Not only being jailed, not only going to prison, you will also pay some fines. If you say anything against Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government, you will also be jailed and also pay some fines. In fact, I dropped the video early this morning. You can go back to watch the video. If you have not watched it, you will see the video at the end of this video. You will see the pop-up link at the end of this video for you to watch and understand. And Nigerians threatened these men. Nigerians gave them what they like. The only language politicians understand is protest. And Nigerians say that they are going to shut down the National Assembly just the way they did during the End Bad Governance. These guys saw how Nigerians are planning to shut down the National Assembly. Fear grips them. Fear grips them. Immediately they saw how Nigerians are busy even calling people to come and support, that they are going to shut down the National Assembly. Fear grips these guys and they have to withdraw that bill. I'll be explaining that for you people to watch. But before I do that, I want to drop a video for you. Where Dambello is one of the popular content creator and also an investigative journalist, where he exposed the former governor of Kano State, who is the current APC chairman now, in the person of Ganduje. But look at, to tell you how corrupt Nigeria is, look at this. Breaking news. Talks during the protest took away Ganduje's corruption trial document. Kano State government. Immediately, Dambello came up to expose Ganduje. Now, the Kano State government, they are telling us that the corruption trial of Ganduje was taken away during the End Bad Governance protest. Watch the video on how Dambello exposes Ganduje.
Next level, wai ta ya APC jihar Kano ta zuke jinin jihar Kano ne? Bari na ba ku sumantabi. Jama'a ko kun san wannan matar? Da turanci ana ce mata momi, da larabci ummi, da kuma canisanci ana cewa ayi. Amma an fi kiranta da sunanta na fulani. To idan zaka bude asusun banki kana amfani da BVN. Kowa yana da nashi guda daya. To mu lura da BVN din momi. Sannan mu kalli yawan asusun da aka bude da wannan BVN. 1, 2, 3 har guda 44. yawan ƙananan hukumomi na jihar Kano. To bari kuma mu komo kan kamfanoni. Wannan kamfanin mai suna Safari Textile na Momi ne da iyalanta, wanda ake turo kuɗaɗe direct daga asusun jihar Kano zuwa wannan asusu. Satar ma babu kwana-kwana, direct ake yi ta daga buhu sai tukunya. To wannan asusu kana ta bincika shi zaka ga har shafuka ne guda 286. To asusu ɗaya kenan a cikin 44. Sai kuma asusun ɓoye. Bari in ba ku labari. An yi amfani da kanin abokin dan Momi mai suna Kabiru Abbas domin buɗe kamfani mai suna Show the General Resources. Kabiru, na san baka san wannan labarin ba. To ga labari da dumin sa. Kai ne manaja na kamfani da ake amfani da shi na satar kuɗaɗen mutanen jihar Kano. Ga misali, ran 5 ga watan Mayu na shekara ta 2020, ana an turo kusan miliyan 82 daga asusun gwamnatin jihar Kano. Nan kuma miliyan 63. Ga wata miliyan 82 ita ma, nan ga wata miliyan 63. To kuma sai mu dan yi ƙasa, nan kuma ga ana cire su da miliyan 10. Wai wani kamfani ne yake fidda waɗannan kuɗaɗe? MJ Multipurpose Services. Jama'a waye tuna MJ Multipurpose Services? Yawwa, yanzu haka an kasa shi adadin kuɗin da wannan mata Momi ta sata, amma ana bin sawun sama da naira biliyan 20. Nawa ne biliyan 20? To dai biliyan 1 yana nufin naira miliyan na guga miliyan har guda 1000 shine biliyan 1. Miliyan 1000 sau 20, miliyan 20,000 shine biliyan 20. Me za a iya yi da wannan kuɗi? To dai za a iya gyara duka matatan ruwa na jihar Kano har ma a fara gina wani sabo kar. Sannan za a iya gina kowace karamar hukuma ta Kano sabon firamare guda biyu. Idan kuma asibiti za a je, za a iya biya wa mutane miliyan 1 naira 20,000 na magani. Kuma ita wannan mata ita ce linzamin shugaban jam'iyyar APC na ƙasa kuma na hannun damin Baba Balabur. Jira a ce duka girma jihar Kano Baba Tulumbu ya rasa waɗanda zai zaɓo su zama shugabannin jam'iyya sai waɗannan mutane. Me hakan yake nufi ne akan manufar Tulumbu akan Arewa? Masu magana suka ce abokin ɓarawo a yanzu da ake fama da wannan yunwa da talauci me yasa ko a jikinsu. To ga tambaya. Da kuɗaɗen talakawa ake samar da ayyuka da ba su tallafi. Aiki da tallafi na baiwa talakawa kuɗaɗen shiga, kuma da kuɗaɗen shiga mutum zai ci abinci ya nemi ilimi. Idan mutum ba shi da kuɗi zai ji yunwa. Idan ka ji yunwa za ka yi tada tarzo. Idan mutum ba shi da ilimi zai ƙare cikin jahilci. Jahilci na jawo tarzoma. To ka sace kuɗaɗen da ya kamata amfani da su wajen samawa jama'a abinci da ilimi, wane ne yake jawo tarzoma? Ga tambaya ta ƙarshe. Masu wayarwa da mutane kai su za a kama ana zargin su da jawo tarzoma, ko kuma masu wawushe kuɗaɗen da ya kamata a yayo mutane talauci da su? A rubuta mu a comment.
Guys, let's hear your thoughts on this. After this man has been exposed, these politicians are now coming up to tell us that protesters took away Ganduje's corruption trial document during End Bad Governance protests. Who do they think they are deceiving? What a country that surrounds itself with criminals as leaders. Alright guys, let me drop this. How these men, fear gripped them and they now have to withdraw the bill. Watch this. Speaker Abbas withdraws counter supervision bill and other related bills. Press statement from the Office of the Speaker, House of Representatives, August 14, 2024. Withdrawal of the counter supervision bill and other related bills. In response to the voice and concerns of the people, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Abbas Tajuddin, PhD, has decided to withdraw the counter supervision bill and other related drafts legislation. The decision follows his extensive consultation with a broad range of stakeholders and a careful consideration of the nation's current circumstances. Speaker Abbas Tajuddin, a champion of the people's interest, has always prioritized listening to the citizens and fostering unity. His decision reflects his commitment to ensuring that the House remains truly the people's house. He acknowledges the significance of the concern raised and the attention the bill has garnered, reaffirming that he will never support any action that might disrupt the peace and unity of our nation. The public is hereby notified to the withdrawal of the counter supervision bill and other related ones introduced on July 23rd, 2024. Signed, Musa Abdullah Kirish, Special Advisor on Media and Publicity to the Speaker. I dropped this video early in the morning today, and one person wrote on the comment that this is propaganda, that it is not true. Now you have seen that it is true. Now look at what some Nigerians have to say about this speaker. One fresh said, if he can come up with such nonsense, even as a PhD holder, and still engage people to know if his thoughts are sane enough, clearly shows he's not fit to hold that position he's holding. His PhD should be investigated. Nonconforms says he should resign. Authoritarian dictators like this man should not be allowed anywhere near power. And this is coming from Toby. Abbas, you for no withdraw am na. It will not stop the move to recall you from the National Assembly. You obviously have nothing to offer. Godwill said, since you have the interest of the people, you cannot replace this anti-people bill with a bill to jail any politician stealing public funds. Your time starts now. Alright guys, let's hear your view on the comment section.